The LEED V5 Materials and Resources credit. Reduce embodied carbon marks a transformative shift in sustainable design, placing embodied carbon at the forefront of green building certification. For design professionals, this credit introduces both a challenge and an opportunity to lead the industry toward a low-carbon future. Embodied carbon encompasses the greenhouse gas emissions associated with the extraction, manufacturing, transportation, installation, maintenance, and disposal of building materials. Unlike operational carbon, which accrues over a building's lifespan, embodied carbon is emitted upfront, often before occupancy. This makes early design decisions critical in mitigating a building's total carbon footprint. In LEED V5, addressing embodied carbon is no longer optional. The credit offers up to 6 points for projects that demonstrate reductions in embodied carbon. The credit provides multiple options to achieve these points. They include Option 1, Whole Building Life Cycle Assessment. Option 2, Environmental Product Declaration (EPD) Analysis. Option 3, Track carbon emissions from construction activities. For Option 1, project teams conduct a cradle-to-grave whole building life cycle assessment of the project structure, enclosure, and hardscape materials. The team must compare results to a baseline developed for the project. Results for the following impact categories in the whole building life cycle assessment report must include global warming potential, depletion of the stratospheric ozone layer, acidification of land and water sources, eutrophication, formation of tropospheric ozone, depletion of non-renewable energy resources. For Option 2, Path 1, project teams can earn points for reducing embodied carbon of the project based on EPD data for the procured materials compared to industry average values. Industry averages for material categories are defined by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, the most recent Carbon Leadership Forum Material Baselines Report, or similarly robust and widely recognized publications, and industry-wide EPDs applicable to the project region. Projects must track the GWP of the materials installed, reconciling the design phase embodied carbon intensities if materials or GWP values have changed. Projects must use project-specific material quantities and identify product-specific or facility-specific Type 3 EPDs for covered materials to demonstrate reductions. For Option 2, Path 2, project teams can earn points by demonstrating that structural, enclosure, and hardscape materials for targeted material types have lower embodied carbon impacts than industry benchmarks as demonstrated by product-specific Type 3 EPDs. Track the GWP per unit of the materials installed, reconciling the design phase embodied carbon intensities if materials or GWP values have changed. For Option 3, teams can earn points for tracking carbon emissions during construction activities. By integrating LCA early in the design process, selecting low-impact materials, and collaborating across disciplines, professionals can not only meet certification requirements but also contribute meaningfully to global decarbonization efforts.